Okay, so today I'm back with another synthetic wig review. This is part of my synthetic wig series. I received this wig from divas.com and it is the Sensational free part lace wig 3-way parting. Her name is KAILYN and she's in T1b copper red. So this is the packaging that it comes in, right? You know, regular, it's pretty big. I'm gonna take it out the package, and you know, it always comes with this little info slip basically telling you what colors it comes in and how the hair looks on the model. So this is the wig out of the packaging, and her color is really pretty. She's like an orange red, like a copper red, like they said. You know, I love red, all types of reds. Like, that's just really my color, so I really like to do that. So I'm really like happy with this color. And right off the bat, the lace is much softer than the usual lace that usually comes on wigs. I love the fact that they're making the lace softer because that means it will less likely rip. When the lace is hard as hell, it rips. That's what happened to my last wig review that I did on the red wig, where the lace ripped because it's so hard it can't pull anywhere. Alright, so now this wig, they said this wig is 3-way parting, and you can heat it up from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So here is the parting right here. It's just a line across, so you can't part it anywhere, but if you want a side part or wherever, you just shift it like they said. It has adjustable straps and it has 2 combs. The combs are really near the parting because I guess they feel like if you want the parting as flat as possible, you put the combs there, but I'm not going to put the combs in because they hurt. I brushed out these curls already, but yeah, they were kind of like really together and hard and spirally, and now they're more like a body wave. And you're never supposed to just go out like this, because this is like, this is what makes your wig look like a wig, like the fact that you would leave it like this. Like, you have to make it flat. What you want to do is, I have water right here I could use, but I'm not going to. My curling iron is on 300 to 45 degrees. Remember, the lower, it says 350 to 400, but the lower the better, so. You could take a curling wand or a curling iron like I did. You can see the hair is already getting much flatter and looking way more not wiggish. And you could use like a holding spray. I have this holding spray right here. I added just a bit of concealer just to the parting, just to make it look a little bit more natural. Usually I would add baby hairs, but today I just don't feel like doing that. Let's see how it looks like as a side part. So this is it on the side. I'm not really feeling that. I'm not really a side part girl, especially with these type of curls. I don't really like it. When you do the other part as a side, it'll look just like a regular side part. Okay. Definitely not a fan of the swoop. This doesn't look too bad, but like I said, I'm not really a fan of. So like I said earlier in this video, this wig is from Divas, and on the website it's $31.95, and it seems like Divas is giving you a discount because it's originally $59.95, which is super good. $32 for a wig, now that is bomb. And for this color and for the quality, that is really good. Just to, like, you know, $32 wig, I would buy it. So I would say this hair is about 18 inches because 18 to 20 inches. 18 usually falls right under my boob. I don't really have much cons other than that. I wish that the parting was bigger. Like, I like wigs where I could part it myself. where it has the 4x4 parting like a regular lace closure. I don't really like when it's just the one part because you're very limited. And this hair, I can feel it's kind of getting tangled a bit, even though I just put it in 10 minutes ago, so I don't like that. But other than that, the hair is pretty good. You can kind of see lines, like, you know, when they try to make the hair yucky and you see those lines, you can kind of see that, but not really. But other than that, I really like the hair. It looks pretty good. The ombre job is really good. The color looks really nice. I think this is cute, like if you're going on vacation. If you guys like this wig, I'm going to leave the Divas link below. If you guys don't know about Divas, it's basically a site where you could buy a bunch of wigs and weaves, everything like that. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link below so you could get this wig from Divas or check out any other wigs that they have. They have a lot of cute wigs on their website, and stay tuned for more videos from Divas because I have a couple of wigs from them that I'm going to review and I want you guys to see. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram so you can see when I first get these wigs and to check out all my new hairstyles and different looks. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.